In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Dishonored. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this reshade with Sweet FX. Scroll down, download this ENB with Sweet FX for Dishonored. Check the manual download option and check slow download option. Once download done, select the folder icon. Right-click on the mod and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right-click on the game and select Open File Location. Open binaries Win32 and drop all these files inside this. Once you're done, launch the game. We have successfully installed the mod. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.